Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video I thought I'd just touch on something that you do quite often when you're moving but may not necessarily know how to do properly. And that is moving things on a trolley. Stacking boxes, fridges, whatever it is, how to move them properly on a trolley without dropping everything all over the floor. Alright, to start with, we're actually going to need a trolley. Great, now we need some stuff to move on the trolley. Brilliant. We've got our stuff to move. We've got our trolley. We can just go, right? Not really, no. The best way to do this is to secure your items to the trolley so they don't move. When we're securing our items to the trolley, there's really only one tool for the job, and that is a tie down. Brilliant. But I'm going to use two. Two is better than one, right? All right, there we go. We have our two tie downs. If you don't know how to use tie downs properly, we do have a video on the channel, which I'll link below, on how to use tie downs properly. So please go watch that before you watch this, because that's going to be vital information for this video. Okay, so you might think that the best way to go about this is to go around here, tie the tie down around the boxes like this, and then secure it up like that. That's good. That's going to keep your boxes from going anywhere, but it's not perfect. The way I would normally start this is actually take everything off this trolley itself. Brilliant. We've got nothing on the trolley now. So what we're going to do, first of all, is take our tie down and we're going to run it underneath the trolley. Take the tie down, you're going to run it underneath the trolley like this. You want an even sort of side of strap on each side so you can tie it up quite easily. Once we've got that tie down underneath the trolley, we can then start loading our items onto the trolley. Okay, so brilliant, our items are loaded up. We're now going to secure the items on each other. Using the same technique that I showed you with the tie downs, I will just speed this bit up for you because you can go watch our other video on how to use a tie down properly. I will not be covering that in this video. You're actually going to tie the tie down onto itself in this case. So you put the two hooks inside each other. So tie it as tight as you can by pulling on the other end of the strap like we do in our other tutorial. See, if I pull this end of the tie down here, it's going to tighten the strap onto the box like so. And when it's nice and tight, we can just use the ratchet to give us some final bits of tightness on there. So this is on there pretty good, but it's still going to move because it doesn't have anything supporting it. But now it has down pressure on it, it's pushing the two boxes together. We can then get our other tie down and tie it around the other way like we did before. Now I recommend, because the pressure's coming from the top, is you wrap it around the top. Best way to do this is to get a tie on each end of the back of the trolley here, and then wrap this strap around as many times as you need to make it as tight as you can. It's a little bit of an involved process, but it's well worth it doing. Feed it through the tie down, make the thing nice and tight, ratchet it all up, and now we have a super secure thing that isn't going anywhere. And if you do need a vehicle to hire, do come and see us at Handy Rentals. Thanks for watching.